Hi, this is Jamie O'Donnell, and this is video 1 of Google Site Tutorials. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. First thing you want to do is go to your Google Drive. You're going to click on the New button, go down and click on More, and then find Google Sites. When your site loads, you will have to title your site. Up here where it says Untitled Site, this is the title that only you will see in your Google slide. This title is not visible to the public. You can also title your page title, but that is what's going to be visible to the public. You have options to share this with others. You can share the draft with others so that they can also edit it. And you can also have options to share the published view with others. Once your site is created, you can go over here and look at the different themes to change the background of your Google site. You can change the image by uploading one from your computer or selecting one that Google already has. You could change the header type to see what the header looks like. And this is just the basic video to show you how to create a Google site.